Hello, friends. This is Scott, and I've got some exciting news for the gardening season of spring 2022. 10 years ago, I helped establish a school garden at my son's elementary middle school, which was Blessed Sacrament Catholic School in Sandy, Utah. And my role basically was to, I put in the garden beds, ripped out all the grass. I'm the major weeder, that kind of guy. And the school teachers and and parents have been taking over the garden and planning it and working with the children in a school curriculum to show them where their food comes from. And then we've brought that food into the cafeteria, and our chef, Chef Sharon, has been feeding the children with the food. Now, it's been several years since my son attended this school, as he's now in high school, but I've recently become re-involved as a substitute teacher and trying to help my community. I love this school. They did wonders for my son, and I always want to be supportive of this school. Well, now, as times change, and 10 years later, the people that I established the garden with are now moving on with their lives, and I'm going to step back in the role of taking over the curriculum next year, and I'm going to be the one that's going to be taking the garden back and doing the whole shebang. So I'm excited. There's going to be a ton of new content. It's going to be a lot of educational content on top of my other gardens that I do and my other projects. Now, there's other hopefully exciting news that's going to come. One in particular that may change the entire direction of my channel, but I'm not going to talk about that right now. I'll leave a teaser on that. But there's going to be tons of content. As I narrate this video, I've got 4 other videos ready to roll. So spring is here. I'm going to put out a lot of content. I'm going to do a ton of gardening, and I'm going to really enjoy my life this year, living my best rural life in the city. So please, if you want to help support me, subscribe to my channel and follow my journey in the school garden, as well as my home gardens, project gardens, and new adventures that'll be coming in the future. So thanks for watching, and I'll be bringing new content real shortly, but I just wanted to throw this video out to share the exciting news that I'm going to be back in charge of this garden and continue to teach the kids where their food comes from. Thanks for your support, and I appreciate it. You guys have a great day.